The Raleigh real estate market is lying to you. And here is the truth. Now, every headline says that the housing market is cooling down. The prices are dropping. It's a buyer's market. And if you believe that, especially here in Raleigh, you are about to make a very expensive mistake. My name is Yoana and I've been selling real estate in the Raleigh cary market since 2011. And I've seen the changes in cary and Raleigh. Now, what I'm seeing now is very, very different than what's happening nationally. Yes, in Phoenix, in Austin, in Boise, the markets are softening. Those markets overheated and now they are correcting. But Raleigh, cary, the Wake County, well, that is a completely different story. And here's the truth. Raleigh home prices are still up year after year. Inventory is still down, not so many homes. And we have one of the strongest markets in the entire Southeast from a job perspective. And because of that, what's happening in this market is very different than what's happening anywhere else in the United States. Let me give you the real numbers between Raleigh and everything else that's happening in the United States. Now, the median price point in the United States is around $400,000. Rates 6.57%. Now, here in the Raleigh-Durham metro area, the median home price is sitting around $420,000 to $440,000, and it has not dropped the way other markets have. What are the reasons? There are three main reasons. Number one, jobs. We have Apple, Google, Wolfspeed, and dozens of biotech and pharma companies either here or expanding here. People are moving to Raleigh, not away from Raleigh. Number two, population growth. Now, Wake County is one of the fastest growing counties in the entire United States. More people means more demand for real estate and for housing. Same with investors. And number three, the 540 loop. Now, 540 is going to be completed. That means that Garner, Clayton, South Raleigh are about to become dramatically more accessible, and land values in those corridors are already moving. So when someone tells you wait for prices to drop in Raleigh, ask them to show you the data, because the data tells a very different story. So if you're coming to Raleigh, North Carolina, what does this market and everything that's happening mean to you? If you're a buyer, stop waiting for the crash to happen, the headlines, right? Instead, focus on finding the right home for the right price for you and your family. And also negotiate smart. There are deals right now for both resale and new construction, and the market is more flexible than 2021 for sure, but the window is not unlimited. If you're a seller, do not panic. Your home still has very strong value, but you need to price it correctly from day one. And if you're an investor, pay attention to the 540 corridor. The land plays in South Wake County are just something that I've never seen before. They're very compelling, and so it's definitely worth checking out. So overall, the market is not lying to you. The headlines are lying to you. And now you know the difference. And if you want to talk about what this means for you and your specific situation, whether you're buying, whether you're selling or investing in Raleigh, drop a comment below or send me a DM. I answer every single question. And if this was helpful, subscribe, because I do publish videos every single week. So I hope to see you in the next one.